Are you interested in learning everything about plyometric exercises for martial arts? If so, you're in the right place. Yo, what's going on everyone? The Cool Geek here, and welcome back to CoolGeek Defence, a place where you geek out over martial arts and self-defense. I am a certified personal trainer, mixed martial artist, and future UFC champion. First, I'm going to go over the benefits of plyometrics for martial arts. Plyometric exercises develop fast-twitch muscle fibers, leading to greater explosive power in strikes and takedowns. By training quick and explosive movements, plyometrics enhance your speed, agility, and reaction time, allowing you to react faster during fights. Plyometrics improve your vertical jump, enabling you to deliver more powerful jump kicks. Plyometric exercises challenge your balance, stability, enhancing your ability to maintain control and stable during fast and dynamic movements. Plyometrics require precise coordination between different muscle groups, helping you to develop better overall body coordination. Plyometric drills increase your heart rate, challenging your cardiovascular system, as well as improving your endurance for prolonged fights and intense training sessions. Plyometrics also engage your core muscles, strengthening your abdominals, back, and hips, which are essential for gathering power and maintaining stability. Plyometric training also strengthens the ligaments, tendons, and joints, reducing the risk of injuries during intense martial arts movements and high-impact training. The impact and nature of plyometrics helps you stimulate bone growth and increase bone density, which is crucial for overall bone health and injury prevention. Plyometrics require focus, concentration, and mental toughness, enhancing your mental resilience and preparing you for the mental demands of martial arts. Okay, next I'm going to go over how to get started with plyometrics. First, you want to warm up. Prioritize a thorough warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for the high-intensity movements of plyometrics. Now, you want to start simple in the beginning. Begin with a basic plyometric exercise such as squat jumps, tuck jumps, and lateral bounds to familiarize yourself with the movements and gradually build strength and power. As you progress, gradually increase the intensity and difficulty of the exercises by adding height, distance, or resistance to challenge your muscles further. Focus on maintaining proper form and technique throughout each plyometric exercise to maximize effectiveness and minimize the risk of injury. A lot of people, when they hear you need to move explosively in plyometrics, forget that also means explosively while keeping good form, so keep that in mind. Allow adequate rest between plyometric sessions to allow your muscles to recover and adapt to the high-intensity training. Now, if you want the why for why you should do plyometric exercises, is because it trains rate of force development, which allows you to use the strength that you've built up with basic strength training and use it in an explosive manner that will help you in a more sport-specific way to fighting. Now, if you want to see a video on how to unlock peak human strength, click the link on screen now.